Okay, so we're told the area of the rectangle is 45, so that's why I've written this here to start with. Of course, we know with a rectangle, the formula for area is length times width. So we can say length times width is 45. Okay. Now, when you look at the rectangle here, we know what the length is. We know the length is 9. But they don't actually tell us what the width is. Okay. And remember, the width is going this way. Okay. So, okay, we know the longer length here is 15 and the length of the rectangle is 9. But there's no way we can use those two to work out what the width is, because the width is going in a completely different direction. What I would do if I was you, draw on the diagram, just put an arrow there to represent that width. Okay. Maybe we could even put W there, and we put W equals. We'll try and work that out now. But ultimately, they're asking us to work out the area of the right angle triangle, which is here, yeah? So there's my right angle triangle. Now, in order to work out this area, I'm going to need the width of the rectangle, aren't I? Because if I've got the width of the rectangle, I've then got the height, if you like, of this triangle. So, I know the length is 9 in my rectangle. I do not know the width. Okay, so I got the area though of the rectangle, so I've got 9 times width is 45. So it's a case then of thinking, well, what's the width going to be? What is that width going to be? 9 times something is 45. So you can go through your 9 times table to see what it is in order to come to 45. The other way you can look at it is take the 9 over the other side. This is an equation, and because you're timesing here, take it over and divide. So you get the width to be 5 centimeters. Okay. So we've got 5 there for the width of the rectangle, which is also the height of the triangle. Now, one more length we need to work out the area of the triangle, and that's the base. Okay. But now this is where this 15 comes into play, because if you think about it, it's 9 across here and 15 across here for the longer length. So this bit sort of represents the extra, doesn't it? The extra, the bit more from the rectangle. So to work out the extra, all we've got to do is take this 9 away from 15. Now, because it's it's OCW question, what I would do is I would write here that, look, the length of DC is equal to 15 take away 9. Okay, so the reason why I say OCW here, you've got to mention what you're actually working out. So we're working out DC. So just say that length DC equals, and it is the whole length there, 15. And if you cut that away, you'll be left with what's there. So you get 6 centimeters. So write it into your diagram, and then we can do our triangle. So we can say, look, area of triangle equals to, now remember the formula for area of triangle is base times height, but you've got to halve it, remember? This is a perfect question to see why you've got to halve it, because if you look at it, this is like half of a rectangle, isn't it? Okay, you can see here it's perfectly half of a rectangle, so it's not going to be length times width. Inside you can think of it as length times width if you want, but you've got to halve it then. So we've got 6 times 5, but don't forget to divide it by 2. So you get 30 divided by 2, which is 15 centimeters squared.